Welcome to the Mr. Edgar Salas Show. I apologize for the video being so late. I was rather busy with work and all. So this will be the second part of our trip with Amanda. And this is going to be the second part, like I said. So stay tuned for the finale.
La La Land, Hollywood.
We just got to Hollywood, and right now we're about to do the walk of the what's it called? The star, the walk of fame. It's not like a walk. It's a walk with the stars with the names. If you look down, you'll see the stars.
Diner that used to be here back in the 1980s and it's shaped from the 1950s. Let's just go inside.
No, 1950s.
Well, see, you need a quarter, like something like I got here. And you put your number, 2702. There you go. Now I should play a simulator.
So now this is our car. We're gonna build our own. All I know is that this is where they filmed part of Rush Hour, so I'm excited. I'm excited.
100 years old. This place has been there for like a century.
So for decades they've had movie premieres here. TCL China Theater.
And they still show movies today.
What God does when he gets bored.
Hold it back, hold it back.
Horseback riding, Griffith Park.
Alright y'all, we are here at I forget what it's called, the Griffith Horse Rentals, and we're in Burbank, California. This is my first time riding a horse, so I'm very excited, and hopefully nothing crazy happens. I get a good, nice, calm horse, little old boots, nice old horse.
It'll be painful, but she'll do it anyway. You guys will get to see what it's like riding a horse. You can check it out in 5 seconds. Or less. They recognize the bucket, that's why. See, look at them just waiting patiently for their carrots. I guess I gotta give them some then.
I survived. I need to go to the bathroom also. So I just got done with my very first equestrian horse ride, anything, and this right here was my horse. His name is Terrence. He's 20 years old, and as you can see, he's a character. And so I just wanted to give him a carrot and say thank you for the good ride. It was a very, very bumpy ride. Bumpier than I ever expected, but it was truly beautiful and truly amazing. And I'm so happy I got to do this while I was in California.
So guys, you can get a half bucket of your own and feed the horses for $6. A handful is $2 and a full bucket is $10.
This has been the day at Griffith Trail Rides, and I just rode a horse for the first time. It was amazing. Hurt a lot, but it was still fun.
So I didn't ride a horse, but it was still fun anyway because I know how much it pains to sit down on bones. You try it someday, you'll have fun. So we're gonna.
And that's all, folks.
Yeah.
Produce garden.
Hey guys, we're in a friend's garden and this is humongous. Take a look around. Look at all the nature's things.
This is what God meant by have life and live it more abundantly. I wish you could smell this. Better than anything I smell in a grocery store. I have garlic chives right here. Amazing. There's a pomegranate tree over there. We got lettuce and some other stuff over here. Little teeny tiny lemons. You can see right there. Little teeny tiny lemons, but really sweet, really juicy. Lemon. Super, see, these are super ripe. All of them, that's the color.
Fresh from the tree.
Straight from nature, organic. The only way to be.
Now I can plant my own tree back at home.
And this is it. That's all we wanted to show you. The beautiful garden. That's it for right now. We're just picking. Oh, Jesus Christ. He just moved his head really fast.